So what are virtual machines? Well, as far as the operating system is concerned, it can't tell the difference. Microsoft Windows or Linux or other operating system like Mac OS cannot tell the difference if they are operating inside of a physical or a virtual environment. Virtual machines make it possible for you to provision and dynamically change your environment very, very quickly. For example, on a physical machine, if you needed to add RAM to the machine, what would you have to do? Well, you have to get the RAM first. Physical RAM chips, right? RAM modules, RAM chips, RAM little components, and RAM modules. What would you have to do? You'd have to turn the machine off, put the RAM in. You have to make sure you get the right RAM, because you couldn't mix and match in many cases. You couldn't mix and match 2 gig slots for 4 gig slots, for 1 gig slots, and so on. So you have to get the right kind of physical RAM. You have to find out what that RAM is for that machine. Sometimes that was a task in and of itself. You have to turn the machine off, put the RAM in, start the machine back up, and that's how you got RAM in. And by the way, sometimes just by adding RAM in, you'd basically lose the machine. Ever have that happen? It's happened to me. So what would you have to do if you needed to add more disk space to the physical world? Well, you'd have to, again, turn the machine off, add more disk space, and turn the machine back on. There were hot swappable drives. There are hot swappable drives. I'm not speaking past tense. This is present tense. We're able to add disk space dynamically as well. Nonetheless, you have to get physical disk space. So what does a virtual machine do? Well, virtual machines make it possible for you to manipulate these hardware components with a great deal of ease. And with the proper operating system, namely Windows Server 2008 or 2003, 64-bit editions and 32-bit editions, specifically Enterprise Data Center editions, you are able to...
Thank you for viewing our short demo video. For more information on K-Alliance's e-learning videos, please visit us at www.kalliance.com or call us at our U.S. toll-free number 1-800-330-9111.